Here's another quick hit from Big Poppa. Big Poppa Smokers, 2-ingredient guacamole. 2 ingredient. I don't count the bowl. Let me show you how to set a land speed record in making guacamole. You don't need tomatoes. You don't need cilantro or onions. Let's come through here. What's this? Boom. Save the seeds, okay? Why you save the seeds is if you're not going to serve it right away, you put the seed in, it'll keep it from turning brown. You can also sprinkle some fruit fresh on it, or maybe a little lemon. But if you're just holding for a little bit, the seeds work great. This is so hard. Look at that. This is getting really exciting, guys, because I've had this so many times. And it's so neat and clean to do this. Seriously, it's hard to imagine that one rub and avocado is going to make people so happy, but you're about to see it. I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of hallelujah. Take a fork, go to town. Just stir it up. If you like it lumpier, then don't use the fork so much. But look at this. Must be something leaking green up there. Guacamole. 2-ingredient, hallelujah guacamole.